There, welcome back. The next Excel hack I want to cover is how to highlight formula cells using conditional formatting. So let's dive in. Have you ever had a worksheet with many formulas and wanted to identify them quickly? I bet you have. Look at this sheet. So some formulas spread all over the worksheet. I used two different techniques to identify these formulas. The first is from the Home tab. Look at the Find and Select button on the right of your ribbon and click on it. There is an option called Formulas. Click on it and see that all cells with formulas are highlighted. This technique is fast but not reliable, because if I want to rewrite a new formula, the cell is not highlighted. A better method is by using conditional formatting. Here are the steps. First, select the entire worksheet with Ctrl+A, or click on the upper left corner above row 1. Then press the conditional formatting button from the Home tab. Let's create a new row. Since the last option used a formula to determine which cells to format, we are going to use a new function which was updated in Excel 2016 called isFormula. isFormula function checks whether there is a reference to a cell that contains a formula and returns true or false. So type in the box equal isFormula left parenthesis A1 right parenthesis. Because we highlighted all the cells, A1 is the reference for all of the cells. Click on the Format button and choose the red color for filling. OK and OK again. All cells that contain the formula is red. If I try to create a new formula now, the cell is filled with this red color. The second technique is more dynamic and better than the first, but the choice is always yours. I only give you the tools. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.